Adam's apple. Hey guys, we're in a lakeside campground in Iowa and we're finally camping again. In the lake, I actually caught a lobster that we're gonna try to cook for dinner tonight. Fresh, right? Not the biggest thing, but I'm pretty proud of it. Now, I don't know how to cook at all, but how hard could it be, right? Also, I'm really bored of eating MREs every time I camp. And if I'm bored of MREs, I can't even imagine how boring they must be in my videos. So we're leveling up. Look at that. That's kind of my motto for my entire life. If somebody does it, how hard could it be? If somebody does it, why can't I, right? So I'm just gonna, cut that loose. Pull that out. Oh man, look at that. Not at all. Please, go ahead.
Oh my gosh, you're actually cooking it up. Wait, I meant it's actually.
Yeah, I caught it in the lake.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it just randomly comes in a Walmart package. I don't know why.
I know.
Look at that, man. Check that out.
There we go. Let's take that.
I do. We're adding bacon.
Bacon. Most have bacon.
Why not, right?
Yeah. Bacon makes everything better.
You know, if you stand there, you might end up in my video. You cool with that?
Yeah. Got a ton of smoke on my eyes.
Look at that. Look at how perfect that is. Come on. Come on. It worked.
Yeah,
Film the whole thing, you know?
That does not look good. Can't eat all of it. I'm just being honest.
Please be honest. Don't worry about it.
That just looks good to me. No, like to me, I bet you love it, but I do not like lobster.
I'm gonna put some garlic butter on it too. So
This is the first time I've ever gonna try lobster because I've never ate it before.
you've never had lobster?
Sadly,
I haven't either.
I've had.
You guys can absolutely have a piece. Don't you worry.
Thank you.
Garlic, parmesan, basil, butter. All right. Let's take that. Great.
No mistakes, just happy accidents.
But things don't happen to you, they happen for you.
You don't have to, you get to.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Are you gentlemen ready? You know what? This is great. I have some like honest judges, right? Because before I was just gonna lie. I was just gonna say it tastes amazing. But now that we have some actual taste testers, by the way, you guys cool with being on, like your hands will be on this video. Is that cool?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Perfect.
Hi, people.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh man.
Gentlemen, pick your poison. I will take the smallest piece, all right? Enjoy.
Oh, my eyes.
What do you think? Let them know.
Out of 10?
Out of 10, sure.
7.
That's a
Never had lobster, and that's
That's
out
what
of
I'm
10.
talking about. I got a 7 and an 8 next to a campfire. Let's
That's a
go.
10 out of 10.
It's a 10 out of 10. You heard it. You heard it here first.
I've never had lobster, and it's actually really, really good.
You like it?
This is amazing.
That's your
I'll try the bacon. That's all. I'm sorry, I don't just this stuff. He's gonna like make us a gourmet meal.
No, my children, enjoy. Take some bacon and some lobster at the same time, okay?
Have this big piece.
Tell me if that's better than a 7, okay?
Alright.
That is way better than this one.
It's a different
We're
thing.
really doing something. Let's go.
That's a 9.9.
9.9? What do you think?
9.5 out of 10.
Let's go.
9.5.
Let's go.
Don't you rip that stuff?
I only have a little piece left and you can absolutely have it, okay? What do you think?
10.
Low chewy, but 8.
I'll
10.
take it. I'll take that.
Apple woke up.
He probably. That's creepy.
Pretty good, huh?
It's working.
He's probably really hungry though.
On a campfire.
On a campfire.
Caught on a lake.
Yes!
No, it wasn't, liar. Even though it...
Very good. Very, very good.
The bacon, man.
Let's see if you can actually crack that, okay? But be really careful.
I can crack it.
If you crack it, I'll put it in the video.
Get it open! Yeah, I'm cracking it open. Yeah. It works. Alright. So, crack this open, and you got a nice piece of meat.
Wow.
Nice piece of meat. Let me get some. Let me get some of that. And then you just push out this entire claw of meat.
Ew.
I get grabbed.
I'm starting to get very worried with you and this knife.
You.
Do not go into. Oh yeah? You good?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job.
So with turbo, I went like this and then it stopped.
Big men take kids, no problem.
Can I ride your scooter?
Of course.
Thank
Have
you.
fun. Be safe though.
I will. Blink, blink.
Let's pretend for a second that I was actually good at banking, okay? And then I did it for 35 years, right? And then I'm old and I'm retired and I make a total of, I don't know, like 10 or 20 million dollars. What would I want to do then? I would predict that if I didn't change too much from who I am today, I would say that I would want to do this, which is curious, isn't it? Because I'm doing this right now, and I'm about $20 million short of having $20 million. Lots of my friends and family, they're asking me why I'm doing this. Like, what's the motivation? And if I were rich, I would want to do what I want to do, right? And if I were poor, I could already do what I want to do. So why would I go the roundabout way of chasing money and then getting old and then doing what I want to do when I can already do it? Does that make sense? You know what I mean? It's really that simple. That's why I'm out here. That should be enough wood to at least get me through tonight, and it's getting pretty dark, so I'm gonna start packing it up, and my GoPro can't really film in the dark anyway, so good night. Wanna do some water sports? Don't smoke, kids. You wanna come up, baby? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go back. Good morning. I'm gonna make some bacon, egg, and cheeses, and then I'm gonna pop off. This was a great campground, by the way. I really like that river. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Some more normal food, right? Yeah, and this doesn't cost me $26. In Manhattan, I would eat about one of these every single morning. Alright, I think that's it for this campsite. Love ya. Bye. Go, be free. There he goes. Instantly gone. Instantly gone. Okay. Maybe I'll chill out here for a little longer.